There are two types of cost. You've got your fixed cost, which is, fixed, maybe the amount of money to build the building and buy all the equipment, that fixed cost. And then you also have a variable cost, and that's the cost to produce each item. So let's use our new notation, functional notation. Cost, total cost or cost, is going to be your variable cost per unit plus your fixed. Revenue. Revenue is the amount of money that you bring in. How do you do that? Well, it's going to be the number of units sold, X, times the price of each one. Revenue is X times P. Now, what is profit? Profit is your revenue minus your cost. Break even. Where do you break even? You break even where your revenue equals your cost. And then there's something called equilibrium. Equilibrium is where supply equals demand. And both your supply equation and your demand equation, they're both functions of X and P, units and price.